Today we will talk about a question that has been asked from Neet examination, which is calculate the mole fraction of solute of 1.00 m solution. M here refers to molality. This means that the solution's molality is already given, which is equal to 1.00 m. This means molality, we know the formula of molality is equal to moles of solute upon solvent in kg, which means to say that the number of moles of solute is dissolved in given kg of solvent, and we take here 1 kg of solvent, which is equal to 1000 gram of solvent. Here we need to calculate the mole fraction of the solute, which is already dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. Let's do that. As we know that, we already know the moles of solute, which is equal to 1.00 moles. I hope you got it. What we need to do, we need to calculate the moles of the solvent, which is water here. As you know that the moles of solvent can be calculated by this formula, given mass divided by molar mass. We know this formula, given mass divided by molar mass. We know that the given mass of the solvent, which is water, is already given 1000 gram divided by molar mass. Molar mass of water is 18 gram per mole. Gram will be cancelled here, and the answer will become 55.56 moles. These are the moles of the solvent, which means to say water. In 55.56 moles of water, 1.00 moles of solute are dissolved. Now we need to calculate the mole fraction of the same solute, whose molality is 1.00 in the solution. Let's do that. For that, we will write down the formula of mole fraction here, and the formula of mole fraction is equal to number of moles of solute. We know this formula very well. It is number of moles of solute upon total number of moles of solute and solvent. We need to calculate here the mole fraction of solute. We can say X solute is equal to, what is the number of moles of solute here given in that 1.00. We have to divide it by the total number of moles of solute and solvent, and we know that the moles of solute is 1.00 plus the moles of solvent is 55.56. When we calculate, it becomes X solute is equal to 1.00 divided by, you have to add this thing, it will become 56.56. When we divide on both, we will get the answer, that is 0.0177. This is the answer, and this is the mole fraction, and this is the answer of this question, which was also in Neet examination. I hope you got it.